Good morning and welcome to Occam's Razor Gardening, Cooking and Canning, where we do a daily update on the growth of the garden. If you're watching us on YouTube, please give us a thumbs up. If you're watching us on Rumble, please give us a follow and a thumbs up and a like or whatever it is. But if you're on YouTube, just head on over to Rumble. Well, it's coming to the end of August. And the garden is, well, it's in its last throes. Oh, look, we had some morning glories growing in the compost pile, even giving us a few flowers. Yeah, the ridiculous pepper plant that gave us one pepper. One pepper. Just crazy. Oh, let's look at the garden here. How are we doing? There's the sunflower, and just still slowly opening up. Very good. All right, well, let's go towards the squash box. So we did the spray, the turmeric spray, with the milk component in there to help feed the leaves. Try to help them with this. So as you can see, after it's been treated, I just touch it, it just kind of scrapes off easy. Mildew's not really adhering now to the leaf where it's been sprayed with the turmeric. Now the cells on the leaves have some strength. But all I can do is hope for the best that things like these little squashes here will get bigger. Big enough to actually have a meal out of them. I don't know. It's the bottom here. And our pepper plants. Not a big pepper fan, but I do use them for canning. Which I should decide whether or not to pickle some more zucchini today. I have harvested a few. Like I've mentioned in other videos, I've completely run out of the large jars except for the ones I'm emptying right now. So anything I'm pickling, I'm putting in 500 milliliter jars. And I'd saved up all the wide mouth ones because they were just perfect for doing the pickled beans. Didn't harvest any beans yesterday because I decided to eat something else. Something I hadn't had in I don't know how long. I decided to have pizza. And then immediately paid for it this morning with joint pain. Well, our potatoes, I'm just going to keep leaving them here in the ground. Keep increasing the amount of potatoes as long as these tops continue to look healthy. Like the potatoes in our squash box, having removed the ones that weren't doing so well. And so like this one here, right, start to wilt away. So I keep trying to keep this potato buried. I don't want it exposed to the sun. I don't want potatoes going green. Can't eat those. At least something toxic. We can eat them. Oh, look, we stood up our kale bush, and then it decided to flop the other way. Ugh. So I need a second post now. Wonderful. Or I could, just eat more of it. Just imagine. I should probably dig up what this little kale bush looked like before it got to its massive part right here. And of course our onions. Now there's a lot of, this isn't grass, eh? These are all onion seeds. But our other onions, I mean, in another week, a couple of them will be ready to be harvested. But I'm gonna leave them in there as long as I can, till the frost comes. If anything, probably the best place to leave them is right in the soil and dig them up as I need them. I still have the other onions that I harvested. I've only used really a couple of them. And all our dill seed that I really need to harvest before it just falls off on its own. I just got a large bowl, bin, pan, container, and then just hold underneath and bang it on top and then collect the seeds. And I haven't even used all the seeds from last year either. Use them for cooking. Great for adding flavor when you're pickling. Especially now that all the dill is grown and done. And of course, our zucchinis. Yes, I had one, another sneaky zucchini. But I did grab it. It's still okay to slice up and cook. Oh yeah, look at you. Long as it could be a little bigger though. It'll just give you, at least I know it's there. Yeah. Good. Our basil still bolting. I think we're okay on the zucchini front. I don't think there's any new weird ones popping up. So you can see how shiny the leaves are. I mean, that's the milk protein from the spray. Oh yes, spiders everywhere. Can we focus on the spider? No? Focus on the spider? Nope. Not gonna focus on the spider. Yeah, and yeah, let's see if we can show this here. Let's backtrack a bit. You'll see how the entire assembly is now tilting this way. Well, it looks like the base that I had set up has finally decided to snap itself off. There's just so much weight of the squash. It just pulled the whole assembly forward. Now it's not gonna collapse. Doesn't look like. I'm not gonna try to fix it with all the plants because as it shifted, it went and killed a few plants, like this one here, and of course this one here as well, which is unfortunate because now this squash isn't gonna get any bigger. But it was inevitable. This whole assembly that I just cobbled together, this is its 3rd year. So I'm surprised it lasted this long. Let alone the red color on these boards that I painted almost 30 years ago. Is it 30 years ago? Let me see here. This would have been 1992. Wow. All right, well, let's go to the front and go have a look at Butch. And straight to the lavender. Oh, so nice. All right. So the plants out here, they got a bit of a spray as well. Might as well add it in the tank. Although the front has been spared having issues with the dry mildew. The milk protein is good for the leaves. All right, let's go and have a look at this corner. Oh, wow. Still filling in its seeds. Just crazy. Just a beautiful place for it too, right on the corner of the bed. All right, let's go in and have a look at the zucchini plant. Ah, those harvested zucchinis have been harvested. Oh, look, the other one down there. Doesn't look like it got pollinated, so it's not gonna produce the zucchini. And Butch, and the live cam is on right now, so you should be seeing me on the live cam doing the recording. And how's Floppy Leaf doing? Well, there's no floppy leaves this morning. Oh, this one's a little floppy down there. It's doing okay, but what's with the yellow tinge on the edges? Huh. Well, at least there's pollinators around. But you guys didn't pollinate my zucchini. Yeah, the whole plant's got that little tinge there issue going on. Early fall syndrome? Who knows? All right, how's the other plant coming along? It's sunflower. Oh, still slowly opening. Let's have a closer look. Very nice. And of course, our morning glories. This one's getting ready to open for the morning. Vine, going along the vine. Let's make sure this one here isn't choking anybody out. No? Good. All right. And one last look at the other side. Some pollinator action up there. Nope. Just oh, it's coming out. There he goes. Okay. Well, so the grasses in all the neighbors' yards are trying to green up, but we're just not getting any rain. The only moisture coming is from the morning mildew, really. But chances of rain this evening, who knows? Well, if you hung out till the end, really appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.